Hello students, welcome to class second. Hello students, welcome to class second. In this video, we will learn about places around us. So we have already seen two places and who work there. We have seen about our school, then we have seen library. Now today we are going to learn about the hospital, why hospital is an important place. And as there are many places, you will find many places like school, bank, hospital, police station, post office, fire station, and market in your surroundings. So there are many important places in our environment. Where you stay, there are many important places in our environment. We visit these places for different purposes. Yes, for different, we have a different work, so we visit. Like, why you go to school? You go to school to learn new things, to learn good manners. In school, what we learn? We have learned about the school. So this is our school. So school is a place where we learn many things. We go to school. Why we go to school? Why school is important place? Because we go to school to study and have lots of fun. Yes, we love to go to school. Yes, the things one learn at school. What we learn at school? Why that place is important? We are learning about places. We have already learned people around us. So in school, who works? We have already learned about that. Yes, so we are learning about the places. So at school, we learn to read and write. And who teach you all this? We have seen in the community helpers, teacher. Yes, teacher teaches us. Teacher gives knowledge and good values to children. There is a librarian. Then who is there? Sweeper is there. These are all the community helpers. This we have already learned. In community helpers, we have seen who are the people who work in the school. And at school, we learn to read and write. We learn to draw and paint pictures. We learn to do sums. We learn to do craft work. We learn to play games. We learn to share. We learn good manners at school. Even we learn music. So we are learning about the places around us. So students, sit with your notebook, pencil and eraser so that you can write a new words at the end of this video. We have already seen about the school. So this is our school. This is our first gate. Yes, in school we learn many things. There is a playground. The school is one of the most important places in our neighborhood. And we learn many things in the school. In school, we learn and gain knowledge. As I have told you, what we learn in the school, we learn many things. We learn many things in the school. We learn to do sums, we learn to draw and paint pictures, study about many interesting things and learn various arts. The image also you can see the boy who is doing sums, and then the second image you can see is a one boy and girl. They're learning how to draw and paint pictures. In our school also has a playground, so on that playground you play different games and you make a lot of friends in school. Yes, so we also play games and make a lot of friends in school. Library. So we have a library period also, and librarian comes and she tells us different stories. Now also you are having a library period. So library is one of the important place where we can read different books, magazines and newspaper. So in our school also there is a library, and the lady who take care of the library is called as a librarian. We have seen this in a community helpers, librarian, and she take care of the library. She take care of these books. A library is a place where we find many different books, magazines and newspaper. We can borrow. Borrow सबको पता है borrow क्या होता है? These books for a limited time and for a small fee. Yes. Now today we are going to learn about the hospital. Now why we go to the hospital? Who treats us in hospital? We have already learned that when we are not feeling well, when we are having fever. So who treats us? This we have already learned in the community helpers. Yes. So we go to a hospital when we are sick. The doctor treats the patient. Yes. The doctor treats the patient. Doctor gives medicine. What does the doctor gives? The doctor gives medicine. Yes. So, so to whom we go when we are not feeling well? We go to the doctor when we are not feeling well. And the doctor treats the patient by giving them medicines. Medicine देते हैं, दवाई देते हैं, कलर कलर की. So by doctor gives medicines to the patient. If you are having fever, so doctor will give medicine. And all hospitals have doctors, nurses, ward boys and other staff. Not only doctor works, like in school, not only teachers are working, but there are principals, there are admin people. Yes, office में लोग काम करते हैं. Then there is a music teacher, there is a helper, sweeper is there, peon is there. We have already learned this in the community helpers, people around us. Yes, so in school we have learned all the people who are helping us. So in hospital not only the doctor works, but with the doctor, nurses, ward boys and other staff are also working in the hospital, and they take care of the patient. Now in the current situation, doctors are working day and night. Yes, so doctors, nurses, ward boys and other staff, they are looking after the patients. So we learned about the hospital. Hospital is also one of the important place, and we already know who works at this place. Doctors. Doctor treats the patient when we are not feeling well, when we are having fever. We go to a hospital when we are sick. The doctor treats the patient by giving them what the doctor gives us when we are not feeling well. What does the doctor gives? Doctor gives medicines. Yes, medicine देते हैं doctor. The patients by giving them medicines. And all hospitals have doctors, nurses, ward boys and other staff. मेडिसिन कौन देता है हमें? डॉक्टर. How doctor treats the patient? By giving them medicines. And these are the staff. Yes, not only doctor work at the hospital, but nurses, ward boys and other staff is also there who works at the hospital. Now what did we learn today? Which are the new words that we came across in this video? We are going to write. So you are going to write with me. What is today's date? Today is 12 June 2020. Now, which is the new word that we came across today? We learned about hospital today. New place we have learned. So we are going to write hospital spelling. What is the spelling of hospital? Hospital. And you are going to write each word 3 times and you are going to send me on my WhatsApp number. Hospital. So that you get stars. After hospital, we are going to write the spelling of sick. S-I-C-K. Sick. When we are sick, we go to a hospital. And who treats over there? Doctor treats. How he treats? By giving medicine to the patient. By giving medicine. So now we are going to write the spelling of doctor. 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 Now next we are going to write the spelling of treats. Doctor treats. 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 Now next we are going to write patients. Doctor treats patient. How he treats his patient? By giving medicine. Patients. Patients. Yes. Now the spelling of medicine. MEDICINES. Medicines. Now we are going to write the spelling of nurses. We have seen this in the community helpers. When nurse take care of the patient, then we are going to write the spelling of staff. 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 Now what is the spelling of important? Yes, IMPOR. Yes, what is the spelling of important? IMPORTANT. Important. Now what is the spelling of around? People around, places around us, people around us. So around spelling AROUND. Around. What is the spelling of library? LIBRARY. Library. We have library in the school. Yes. So what is the spelling of school? SCHOOL. School. See, today we have learned this spelling. These are the new words. Hospital, sick, doctor, treats, patients, medicines, nurses, staff, important, around, library, school. These all spellings you are going to write 3 times and you are going to send me on my WhatsApp number. And I'm going to check and then I'm going to give you stars. Let us see who is going to get stars. Now we'll see what did we learn. Okay, from this lesson. So now you are going to answer me. Where will you go to study? Now the options are given. Where will you go to study? School, petrol pump, bank, temple. Where you will go to study? Which is the important place for study? Petrol pump, school, bank, temple. So the important place is what? Study. See, study has came over here. STUDY. Study. So we study at school. Yes, we learn many things, na, in the school. We learn many things. School is a place where we learn many things. We go to school to study. So answer is school. SCHOOL. This also you are going to write in the book. Now second question. From where can you borrow books for a limited time and for small fees? Yes. From where can you borrow books if you want to read a story book? Yes, for a limited time. Like you have to return that storybook again. So from where you can borrow books, storybooks, magazines, newspaper. We have learned that in the library. Here we have learned we can borrow these books for a limited time and for a small fee. So from where you can borrow books for a limited time and you have to pay a small fee for that. So that place is what? Bank or library, school, ATM. So the answer is library. 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 Yes. So today we learned about this too. And one more we have learned one place, important place, that is what? Where will you go if you are sick? You will go to a zoo. In zoo there are animals. Mall there are shops where you can buy things from one roof. Like in shop there are different types of shops. You don't have to go in different places to buy things. In mall you can buy clothes, grocery. Yes, we are going to learn about mall also. Then hospital. Now sick, 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 and hospital. Then museum. We are going to learn about museum also. We have not learned about museum. So now sick. Where will you go if you are sick? You'll go to the hospital. So what is the spelling? HOSPITAL. Hospital. Yes, you have to select this answer. Hospital. So hospital is the answer. Where will you go if you are sick? You'll go to the hospital. Now, what is a library? What is a library now? We have seen. Yes or no? We have learned about library now. A library is a place where we find many different types of books, magazines, and newspaper. Yes, a library is a place where we find what we find over there, many different types of books. Only books we find? No. Magazines. What is the spelling of magazines? MAGAZINES. Magazines. And what else we find? And newspapers. And now what is the spelling of newspaper? NEWS. News. Now papers. 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 Yes, a library is a place where we find many different type of books, magazines, and newspapers. Yes or no? So this you are going to write in the book, and you are going to write this fill in the blanks also. What we learned today? We have learned about the school, library, and hospital. And we have learned what is a library. We know now a library is a place where we find many different types of books, magazines, and newspapers. So what you are going to do now? You are going to watch this video again. Yes or no? You are going to watch this video again, and you are going to write these keywords. You are going to write the lesson name. What is the lesson name? Places around us, and you are going to write today's date. These are the hard words which I have written, and you are going to write 3 times, and you are going to send me. Where you are going to send? On my WhatsApp number. So you are going to write today's date. You are going to write on to a lesson name also. Places around us. Yes, the chapter name is Places Around Us. On the top of the red line, you are going to write in a good handwriting. You are going to write this words. You are going to touch the blue line and write. In a good handwriting, you are going to write. And whatever we have done, you are going to revise this. So remember all the points mentioned in this chapter and do self-learning worksheets. On what topic you are going to do? Places around us. And also I have given worksheets. Do that worksheets and submit me. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.